Hello, beautiful people, future me. Welcome to another programming workout of mine. And today we will be doing SAS tutorial. Oh, I was doing that today already. So, JavaScript.exercism.io. Sounds good to me. So, first of all, we will do the typing exercise, which I do all the time. 5 minutes to be exact. And please load quicker. Everything's small. Everything's slow today, on my machine at least. Okay, so let's go. I will start the clock, lock my mouse, and start typing. That felt kinda good, error-wise. So what's the 2%? Well, keep at it, keep training, keep training. And we are out of the time, so that means end of the typing. And we will continue on exercising.io. So let's do that. Okay, close you. Thank you for your services. And yeah, and we wanted JavaScript at exercising.io. Come on, load it. Okay, so resistor color duo approved. So that is cool. So let's go there. Let's see what happened. I think create a map. No. Great use of math and maths for the results. Now, to go further, you can even get the relevant colors directly from the input by destructuring it like this. Export const decoded value. What? Color 1, color 2. From the input, destructuring it like this. Well, a good start is thank you for the feedback. Now, what? You can even get the relevant colors directly. Well, this is the Resistor Color Duo project, so I will open that. And do I have an IntelliJ open? Yes, I. So I will go here, open, yeah, and I want, where is it? Playground. So I want exorcism. .io, JavaScript, and it is Resistor Color Duo in this window, please. And I forgot to start the time, so I will do that now. That cost me 3 or 4 minutes. Oh, that's okay. So, what will I do now? Maybe I can move this time out of the frame. Keep this. Okay, now he told me that I could do export const. Ah, I see. Color 1, color 2. Now I understand it. Okay, so this will be, I will change it then. So he meant that this here will be inside of that, and this will be color 1, and this will be color 2, like so, and then why is this defined but never used? Okay, we'll fix that. Color 1, And then we have the another error, and this will be color 2. Okay, so yeah, that, and I will submit it, save it. Good practice is to run the test, right? So I will do it just for fun. This will. Okay, so it was run, run. Configuration still incorrect, so it was something else. If I go to README, here is the npm test is how they npm test. This is how I will run it. Eventually. Maybe you could go here. Or somewhere. Maybe it could be even smaller. Like this big. I don't know. Well, is it okay? It completed. So that is okay. So I can submit it, and I will say there, and it is this guy over here. So I will say exer season submit, and I will say resistor color.js. Place the order. I'll put it in here. I submit it. And hit it. Oh, okay. I'll say. I say. I'll say it here. Comment. Thank you for feedback. I like the idea implemented. Comment, and I will say that. Continue publish, and it was good. Not additional gigaseconds. Like next thing I can do. So let's just continue. And we will rock you. This is what I did. There's nothing. I wanted to view community solutions. Especially I'm interested in the most rated one. So, well, let's have a look at the latest first. I should open it in another window. Well. Colors, and you are saying color index of colors 1. Okay, I see. Return number, resistance. All right. So, Scottish penguin. Interesting name. And we will say most stars. go, 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 go. JavaScript track will be opening here. And 13 stars, that must be something extra. So here are constant colors, and then he export const value input map, and that will be colors index of I joined by nothing or 0. Let's see. That's nice. I think I like it. I think I like that solution. Just set that on 1, and then he had export const value input map. What if we have 3 and then it will break? I think it will break. Okay, so I will have the second best solution. Have a look, and meanwhile I can download the next thing and install the things in it. So here we have a gigasecond. So we will do gigasecond thing. Copy. I will go here, and here I will do cd like so, and here I will run the thing which did not copy. Repeat. Okay. Downloaded to the gigasecond, and now I will change the and that was gigasecond. It's over here. This window, please. I will do the end. Oh well, what was that? I will do the npm install. Oh, look at this. Npm install. Let it run and read the other things. I could run it here as well. That's doing something? Now it is. Okay. Oh, I know. I'm still using VPN. That might be why it's slow. So I will disconnect. Hopefully that will make things better. Disconnect in progress. Please wait. And maybe it will break my npm install process. Who knows? We'll see. Okay. So I'll go here. And let's have a look at the second most popular, and third I will open as well. And this random person. Colors, slice, 02, okay, he takes the first 2. And then he join it and creates a number. One thing, as a mentor pointed out in my solution, have you considered using number instead of parse int? Nice. Okay. Go by. What about those two? Okay, this is colors, map, colors, index of colors. Okay, so this is what I saw elsewhere. Okay, what's here? Color code, color code, creates number. He's reducing. Okay. And the first one is, yeah, so the first one is string, so it will append to the string, I see. And then he creates a number out of it. That's solution 2. So we'll close that and we can continue forward. So we have given a moment, determined the moment that would be after a gigasecond had passed. That's a lot. And you know what, I want to see the tests. That's telling me most. And it's still installing. Oh well. Warn deprecated. I'm okay with deprecated. Okay, so it's possible to return correct value for this exercise by mutating the solution function argument, although there are legitimate use cases for mutating function arguments. This is usually undesirable, and in the case of this exercise, clearly unexpected. For this reason, the test suite has a test that fails in case the argument has been modified after the function execution. Go through the setup instructions, requirements, making the test suite pass. So, I still am not clear what it is supposed to do. The moment, okay, this will tell me everything. It's installing. And okay, so we will split vertically. And in here I will look at the another file, which is gigasecond.js, and that's where I will be writing the things. So I'll close this guy. I will replace our xtest with test. And does it have a shortcut? I don't know. Here we go. And we are this guy, then we are adding that. Okay. So how do I run that? Okay, maybe I want to experiment here, and it's still installing. Maybe now it's routing through, you know, the road before I change the VPN, so now it's even slower. Who knows? Come on. Okay, I didn't want this to consist of me waiting for to install something. Oh, no, it's going faster. Oh, and it's completed. Cool. So, if I should be now able to run it. npm test go. Am I still on? I hope so. And why is it so slow? I don't get it. Okay, cool. We have some results. Received undefined. Sure. And I will what? So gigasecond. It will take date, and we will. Here will be a const. Uh, giga and is equal to very much so 9 things. So 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, gigasecond, and we will say, what's this? Never used. Return and date. Yeah, and we will say here date dot we will say date dot, what do we have here? Year numbers, does it have It has a number, I think. Date plus. Come on. Date plus giga. Will this work? There's an error. From import gigasecond from dot gigasecond. Well, I have it here, right? So what's the matter? Run it. Test suit failed. Test 0. What? Oh, it doesn't know this. Okay, so we gonna fix that, I guess. Doesn't have the latest version of JavaScript. This takes awfully a lot of time. Okay, now we have some error, but we have something to equal. Expected this, received something else, and we are over the time. So this is unfinished. Something I can work on and the next time, I guess. Okay, so this guy here tells us that we are done. Done is better than perfect, and I will see you next time. Bye. What is this? What the hell? Just like that. 5 minutes, 25 minutes.